Hi guys, Lens here. So in this video I am going to show you how you can fix your A20 black screen. And if you're hearing song, that's a very good thing. You need to analyze your screen for possible damage first. And if you look at your screen and there's no cracks, there's no sort of damage, then you know that this can be a software issue. So guys, for us to really get our phone turned on, we can hold the volume down button here and keep holding the volume down. In some cases we can also hold the volume up. So let's just hold these two buttons together. So you can see that the phone is starting up there. And that's a quick trick of fixing your issue with your Samsung Galaxy A20. You want to actually hold the volume down button and the power button if your device is on. So if your device is on, you want to actually do that. Let me demonstrate this to you again. You want to hold the volume down and the power button. Your phone will actually restart. The phone is now restarting. And this is how we can fix this issue. Guys, if your phone is not booting up at all, you can actually use the volume up and the power button if your phone is not turning on. Volume up and power button. This should actually help your phone to boot into the recovery mode. So if your device is off, you want to hold and it's not coming on, you want to hold the volume up and then the power button. Hold those buttons together, keep holding, and you should see your Samsung Galaxy logo showing. And if you boot into this menu here, if you experience any further problem, you can do a factory reset. If not, you can just reboot your system now. So guys, I hope that this video was helpful. This tutorial can be useful for the A10 and also the M10 and also the A20, the A30 and also the A40 and A50. Guys, my name is Lens. Hope that this was a helpful one and I'll see you soon. I'm out.